Today we'll be making delicious Santa Fe chicken, full of bold flavors, cheesy goodness, and perfect for a satisfying meal.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First we start with some chicken breasts. Place them in a large Ziploc bag and give them a good pound. This tenderizes the meat and helps it cook evenly. Once they're nice and flattened, rinse them off and pat them dry with a paper towel. Now season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Then sprinkle on some onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, and paprika. Make sure to coat them evenly. This is where all the flavor begins. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil. Once it's hot, carefully add your chicken breast. Cook for about 3 minutes on one side. Then flip and reduce the heat to medium, which is about a level 4. Cook for another 4 minutes or until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit or about 74 degrees Celsius. I recommend using a thermometer. It's the best way to ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked. I'll post the link for this inexpensive one in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. We'll come back to it later. Next, clean your pan and add 2 more tablespoons of oil. Toss in half of a diced red onion and stir for about 15 seconds. Then add a chopped red bell pepper. Stir them around and then add half a stick of unsalted butter. Let it melt and mingle with the veggies. Now add a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. Mix everything together, turn the heat to about a number 6 and cover. Let it cook for 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, it's time to add the garlic, 3 minced garlic cloves, and our spices, half a tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon each of oregano and paprika. Drain and rinse a standard can of black beans and add that in. Make sure to rinse them. Now add a can of rotel. I prefer rotel brand for that little kick, but today I'm using H-E-B brand. It's diced tomatoes and green chilies. Stir in about 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, then season it with salt and pepper to taste and give everything a good mix. Now add your cooked chicken breast back into the skillet along with any juices from the plate. Sprinkle shredded cheddar and mozzarella all over the chicken breast. Shredding your own cheese makes a noticeable difference. Cover the skillet and let it cook for about 3 minutes until your cheese melts into that cheesy, gooey goodness. After it melts, top with a little extra cilantro, and if you like some heat, a slice of jalapeno on each chicken breast. Optional, of course. I love serving mine over a bed of fluffy rice. Just look at that cheesy, flavorful goodness. Seriously, the aroma is amazing. Yum! Now how good does it look? A hearty, spicy Santa Fe chicken packed with flavor and topped with melty cheese. I wish you could taste it. Rich, cheesy with a hint of smoky cumin and a fresh cilantro kick. Perfect for dinner and even meal prep.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!